One Sunday morning, this man walked into church wearing old blue jeans, an old ripped t-shirt, and an old cowboy hat. Some of the members were appalled. They sent notes to the pastor expressing their concern. After the service, the pastor went over to the man and said, "I think you need to really pray and ask God what you should be wearing before you come back to my church." The next Sunday, the man walked in dressed the exact same. The pastor said to the man, "I told you to pray and ask God what you should wear before you come back to my church." The man said, "I did ask God, and he told me he didn't know. He's never been there." You're welcome. Today's video is brought to you by Ariat. So today I have on my Ariat leggings as per usual. They're very comfortable. I really love working in them. Ariat shoes. They're very comfortable as well for working in. And my Ariat socks. I love these socks. They're nice, they're lightweight, they're thin, so they're good for the warm weather. And they're cool because they have little horses on them. So this month we are going to be giving away 2 $100 gift cards. So if you want to get in on the draw for Ariat to win a $100 gift card, comment below and make sure you say the word Ariat in your comment. And again, there'll be 2 winners on this one. So the links are below to check out their website and all the different products that they have. And good luck to everybody. And thanks to Ariat for sponsoring this video.
Okay, today we're gonna get putting the shower in. So I got some 1x3 verticals to put on, some 2x3s gonna go in here so I can fasten the shower. It's 2-piece together, and then with the glass door on the front. So we're just basically just gonna get started at it. It's tight in here, but the bottom part's already in, so that's ready. It's already hooked up to the drain and all that. Just need to get like the framed up part behind it, and then like kind of build it together. So it's already hooked up above here where the shower head comes out, and then there's a hole already there for the faucet, so we'll get her all sorted out. Should have been a stud in there.
There's a stud in here.
Sounds like the start of a bad movie. Oh, that's probably something that shouldn't be ruined. This is actually the first time I've ever put one of these stand-up showers in. Those are the only screws I have on me, so that's why I'm using these longer ones. It's still level, that's a good sign. There's where this was originally put, and it just was in the way, so there it wasn't in the right place, so we had to move it over here. Maybe we did find that other one, eh?
No.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Edge here.
This the board?
Mm-hmm. Higher would have been better. Too late. You dropped a tiny bit. Hopefully that don't matter. Probably does have to be like exact. It's a really good bit.
Are you almost done framing it out? That's good.
Well, that's that part. Oh, here it comes.
It's coming, it's coming, oh, it's coming. Come on. And there it is. Yeah, you wouldn't have wanted to use the black stuff. It'd be terrible.
Well, that wouldn't even be the right. It was like construction adhesive that we had. It's like brown. Not Q60 though. Is any of that caulking coming through or no?
No, not really.
Just a little bit?
Yeah, like maybe in the seam a little bit. It's not touching anything.
Yeah, not a big deal.
You wouldn't want it to be a different color though.
No.
I can't believe I just wasted my time wiping it.
So this thing here, actually, the wall is supposed to be drilled into this, right? But, well, it's already on the floor. This was done when it was plumbed. This was attached. This is actually supposed to not be on here yet. It's supposed to go in and then be done after, because the wall's supposed to be screwed to this. So we can't do that. So we're just going to put caulking on it. We're tearing the plastic off now. But we're just going to put caulking on here. See how it seals. It's still going to be drilled up top. And then, well, worst case, I'll like figure something out. Maybe I'll have to drill through to one of these or something just to hold it tight. But it might work, right? But the screws, it's literally impossible because they're going to be screwed from behind. So, here we are. We'll make it work. That probably goes down in the drain.
Yeah. Might have to pull that off.
Well, I can get down to it.
Nice.
Oh, I lost it. Oh yeah, I can. Nice.
And you found it.
Stuck down there still.
Looks so pretty.
Looks cleaner.
Yeah.
A squeaky old thing.
It is squeaky, isn't it?
And we got a tempt. Maybe I'll hold that seam too so it doesn't. It should be good to get this through here.
Just tell me where to go with it. Maybe should I be out
Just
through
try
there?
to keep lined up with me.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Am I somewhat lined up if I lay it on that caulking?
I think so. Used to be. That's good. Definitely. But
The shower thing.
you have to drill that hole. Why wouldn't you just drill it?
I should. It says not to. We could do it so far and then finish it.
Right. Makes life easier. Work smarter, not harder.
Sometimes we hear that in the channel,
Yeah.
and it's a pretty stupid thing that's suggested. That's not.
Smarter.
Yeah. It's actually way harder. Or it just won't work. Stupid, stupid, stupid. This is not one of those times.
No.
Okay, not even sure what that's going through. It's good. Nothing, probably. Feels like nothing. He left it out of it so it wouldn't buckle. It's all lined up there. Basically just something to keep water in, so. And hold some shampoo.
Yeah.
Can you lift it? Yeah. Well, should be able to bend here and loop around easy enough.
Should I do anything or no? I feel like sometimes it's easier if I don't.
I think you're right. So.
That looks cool.
I mean, that's level.
Ish. Just
No,
kidding.
it's level, yeah, it actually is perfect. I'll just get you to hold it on this while I hold the other one in and do the same thing.
Okay.
Because it'll move if not. You see that line that you're all inside there?
Okay.
Just make sure you hold that tight. I guess all I can say.
A lot of pressure put on me.
You're good, Sally.
I think so. I see the line.
Probably about there for that one. Alright, now we gotta take this out of here.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head.
Oh, please, just go in.
Yay! One part in.
Push that button.
Oh, okay. Push the button.
What?
Is it down?
Is it in? Like, so this will go in.
Oh.
Push down.
Okay. There. Oh,
Are you in?
it looks like it.
Okay, and it'll stop there. Nice. Alright. Cool.
Cool. What a job.
That is a freaking, yeah, that is actually a big job, isn't it?
Yeah.
A lot bigger than I thought.
A lot of pieces.
A lot of pieces to it, yeah. Like, it's not like a peel and stick shower. You just put some construction adhesive and stick it there. It was like, it felt like a shower from IKEA or something. We're not even done, but that makes sense.
It looks a lot better now.
Oh, this one's long too.
Of course.
Now it all seals, yeah. Right? See that both sides there too. These ones.
Yes.
See?
Yeah.
And then this one. There's one on this too.
Oh, okay.
So now that seals.
Okay.
That makes more sense.
Yeah. Now for all the final touches.
With our squeaky caulking gun.
Yeah, I tried my best, but nothing turns out right.
Should be close to lined up with that, eh?
I think so. Seems like it'd have to be.
Yeah, I know the way this is set up, eh?
And it really smells like caulking in here.
There's a lot.
Looks so pretty.
Everything I can.
Oh, what's over there?
Here.
Oh. It must be more than one stud. It's right here. There's no way this is going to cover that.
Catch my breath. I've been trying.
I guess I have some more mudding to do.
No, we just need to get another plate. That ain't gonna do it. Frig. Some bright, eh? I cut a piece of fascia metal. Hey.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember if we had double studded that wall. Or in the top plate either. So it was guessing. Obviously the guess was wrong.
Yeah.
It was an extra 1.5 inches from the top down, an extra 1.5 inches from the side out. Because we had doubled it when we did it, the wall, remember?
Right.
That's why it was a little where it was. I guessed a single, and that's why I'm higher. And then the same thing why I was there.
What?
Whatever, I'll put something there, it'll be fine. Alright, you're gonna break that, babe.
Shut up.
You are. That's how those things end up all twisted, and you sit on them and it goes sideways and your leg touches the cold porcelain. You know that gross feeling?
Yeah. That's because of people like me.
Yeah. You see how this is going.
Point it that way, right up at the freaking ceiling.
Yeah. Well, that brings it up high.
Yeah. Is that tight?
No.
Oh.
Just like that.
Feel it out.
It's way better though.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like right over. It's high, but you could always, I don't know, you could always do nothing. As long as there's good pressure.
Yeah. Turn it on.
Maybe you should go tighter, or?
Sprays right at you. No. Probably not. Seems pretty tight.
Look at this.
Covers it. Beauty. And then the other thing, I would think it's on the ground under you. Don't glue it to the wall or anything yet.
Well, no.
Because I got to paint and everything.
I'm definitely not doing that. Yeah, that wasn't going to fit for a sec.
I know. $100 freaking shower arm.
Oh, that holds in there tight, nice.
Yeah, that looks good. Doesn't look stupid.
Well, it looks fine. Oh, I'm going upside down now. It's going to confuse me. Oh, why am I opening that? Told you it would confuse me.
Yeah.
Won't take much. Holy. That wasn't supposed to be that hard. Watch this, don't fit on it.
Yeah. Get too high with your tape.
Well, I don't know all the threads. How is it? Great!